But then how about all the people that we talk to, the parents, the residents, the medical students, the whole ICU team? Can we show them the model when we teach them? So we decided to go on this kind of thing is basically we do a 3D STL segments, make it in such a way that we can actually store it and then point it with a QR code for every lesion that we have. And during the rounds, we will actually share the QR code. I mean, obviously, it's a password protected. And then if you scan this, if people actually on the call can actually scan, and if it is still valid, this is a subscription thing, that you can actually get the model of the ones that we are talking about. So this can be either incorporated at the bedside or can go into the patient charts wherever they go. People hopefully can understand the 3D models better. The way to work on this workflow is we do the segmentation through Materialize and the thematic to help. And then we use Blender for some of the color assignment. The QR code access cannot be huge files, so we have to do some decimation and scaling down, and we can actually label them all well in terms of everything for teaching, so they don't even have to somebody there to help them. And the usage of this on their iPhone is not something that anybody has to teach them, because the zooming, the making it smaller and bigger, turning it is all pretty intuitive for people. So this is going from there to there, and it's a small video if I play. So if you scan this in your phone, basically you scan that and you will get things to say open this in this, and you can open it here. And when you open, and this is in iPhone and the Android sometimes is a little difficult, you have an augmented reality mode. You can go and lay on the patient's chest and show parents, or you can go to the object mode, which then you can do the zooming, you can turn around, and you can actually learn everything. This is a total veins, so you could see the vertical vein going to the innominate, and you can also put the trachea, and you can name this. I think we found very helpful for people who can understand and learn, and also show it to the parents in a very easy fashion. So I thought this was very helpful for us.